Hey, good morning everyone. Myself Vamshi Krishna from GPT Narayan Khed. Today's topic is my subject is DC machines and batteries in third semester diploma. So actually, what is machine? Machine is nothing but either motor or generator. This first chapter is DC generators. So what is generator? Generator which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. So what is mechanical energy? Mechanical is nothing but the diesel or petrol or anything which converted into electrical energy. So we are taking as electrical energy. So how it is generated? Let us see. See what is electrical energy. What generates electrical energy? Electrical energy generates generator which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. Right. So this is a generator which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. Right. What are the basic requirements of produce EMF? What we need to produce EMF? First we need magnetic field, right, and then conductor. The speed. See, conductor. Here it is. We are taking as copper conductor, right, and magnetic field, right, and the speed. The conductor is rotating. That is a speed. How EMF is induced? How EMF is induced means according to Faraday's first law. What is first law? Whenever a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, it produces an EMF. Right? Current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, it will induce an EMF. That EMF is this EMF. Right? According to Faraday's first law. What are the types of induced EMF? These are two types of induced EMF. One is self-induced EMF, another one is dynamically induced EMF. Right? Self-induced means a coil having only one coil itself only. Right? Dynamically means rotation. If anything is rotating, that is called magnetic field, EMF. EMF is produced. So dynamically induced EMF. Dynamically induced EMF and self-induced EMF. What do you mean by that word dynamics? Dynamics means rotation. Right? Related to motion. What is dynamically induced EMF? Right, here you see this is the north pole and south pole. There is the magnetic field. Here the coil is rotating, that is conductor. Right, when a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, right, here current carrying conductor is showing yes. These are the current carrying conductor. Right, this is the magnetic field, north pole and south pole. When a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it produces an EMF, electromagnetic force. Right. Sir, in dynamically induced EMF, the conductor moves in a stationary magnetic field or vice versa. Right. Here is rotating in both the directions, clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. EMF is induced in the conductor when it is motion. When it is conductor is rotating, so EMF is rotating according to Faraday's first law. Here see here. What is dynamically induced EMF? Here north pole, south pole. Here north pole, south pole. Here these are the dotted lines showing is magnetic field. Here the circle is showing is conductor. Right? Always magnetic lines flows from north to south. Here this is the coil. The circle A point indicates coil. The coil is placed in a magnetic field, it automatically it rotates. What is the direction of this coil? That is important here. Dynamically induced EMF. Right? Here the coil is rotating with some angle theta. That is sin theta or cos theta, anything. Right? Here it is stationary coil. Here it is rotation. So that is the EMF is B IV sin theta. Coil is stationary means E equal to BLV. Right? These are the poles. These are the conductors. Right? Here it is field. I am saying north to south, always the flux linkages flows from north to south. It is force, that is velocity V. Right? Dynamically induced derivation. Right? What is magnetic flux density? Right? Flux density is B into WP, Webers per meter square, right? And the conductor moving velocity V. Conductor length 1 meter. Here approximately we are taking as L meters, right? If the conductor moves through a small distance, if the conductor is actually the conductor length is L meters, it moves from one place to another place. So then the distance is dx with a time of dt seconds, right? Area of the conductor is I into dx. The flux cut by the conductor, flux density into area. Here flux density is B, area is I, right? B into I into dx. Flux in always Webers. According to Faraday's laws of induction conductor is the induced EMF equal to rate of change of flux linkages according to second law. E equal to N into d phi by dt. Okay. N into flux linkages. What is flux linkages? B into I into dx by dt. Right. Here it is B into I into dx by dt. Here we are taking as only one revolution. Right. That is E equal to BIV sin theta. And when the conductor is placed in magnetic field, the producing EMF is E equal to B into I into V. What is B? Means flux density, right? I, right, and velocity, right? When the conductor is rotating means here conductor is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise with an angle some theta. That EMF is BIV sin theta. When the conductor moves at an angle of theta to the magnetic field, that is EMF is BIV sin theta. Right? Here we are getting three EMFs. Right? One is here it's showing it's showing as E equal to BLV. BLV means the conductor is same as flux linkage is the EMF is 0. When the north to south always magnetic lines are flowing, when the north to south is flowing, the conductor in the same direction, the EMF will be 0. Here is the conductor is placed in anti-parallel to the flux lines, so the EMF is maximum. What is the maximum EMF is E equal to BIV. Right? Here the conductor is some angle. Suppose conductor is flowing it like this, and the flux linkage is also same line this, the EMF equal to 0. Right? The conductor is like this, the flux lines is like this, the conductor is showing anti-parallel to this. Here it is maximum of the EMF is put, that is E equal to BIV maximum sin theta equal to 90, theta in sin 91, like that. Right? Here it is the EMF is flowing like some angle theta, right? Here we are taking as EMF is E equal to BIV sin theta. Suppose theta is 30 degrees sin 30, theta is 60 degrees sin 60. So EMF is E equal to BLV sin theta. So in this class we are discussed the definition of dynamically induced EMF. So what is dynamically? Dynamically means rotation. If everything motor or generator is anything rotating, here it is dynamically induced EMF. The concept of dynamically induced EMF. So how it is produced dynamically induced, already we are discussed. The derivation of EMF E equal to BIV sin theta. Right? Thank you.